Everyone thinks autumn leaves are dying. They're not. Everyone thinks autumn leaves are simply dying, giving one last burst of color before they fall away. But the truth is, the vibrant spectacle of fall isn't a sign of death at all. It's a clever, intricate biological process, a grand finale orchestrated by hidden chemistry and light physics, right there in your backyard. For months, these leaves have been the silent powerhouses of their trees, tirelessly converting sunlight into energy. They've been green, a color so ubiquitous we barely notice it. But as the days shorten and the temperatures drop, a remarkable transformation begins, revealing colors that were there all along, just waiting for their moment. At the heart of this everyday miracle is chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for a leaf's green hue. Think of chlorophyll as the leaf's primary solar panel. It's incredibly efficient at absorbing sunlight, especially the red and blue wavelengths, using that energy to create sugars for the tree. But here's the catch. Chlorophyll is a demanding molecule. It requires constant production and replenishment. As summer wanes, the tree starts to sense the approaching winter. It's a pragmatic decision, really. Why keep investing energy in a molecule that will soon be less efficient? So the tree begins to shut down its chlorophyll factories. Less sunlight, colder nights, it's just not worth the effort. The vibrant green starts to fade, not because it's being replaced, but because it's simply breaking down, no longer being renewed. This is the first crucial step in autumn's magic show. But if the green is just disappearing, where do the yellows and oranges come from? Well, those colors were actually there all along, hiding in plain sight. They're produced by pigments called carotenoids, the same compounds that give carrots their distinctive orange and corn its cheerful yellow. Carotenoids have an important role during the summer too. They help protect the chlorophyll from too much harsh sunlight, acting like tiny sunscreens. They're more stable than chlorophyll, requiring less energy to maintain. So, as the green fades, the yellows and oranges finally get their moment in the sun, literally. Think of it like a stage curtain being drawn back. The dominant green curtain of chlorophyll slowly retracts, revealing the brilliant yellow and orange backdrop of carotenoids that was always there, just overshadowed. It's a quiet reveal, but utterly breathtaking. Now, what about those dazzling reds and purples? These are the real showstoppers of autumn, and they're a bit more complex. Unlike chlorophyll and carotenoids, which are always present, the red and purple pigments, called anthocyanins, are only produced in autumn. Anthocyanins are synthesized in the leaf sap, a sugary liquid, specifically after the chlorophyll has started to break down. This means they require light and cool, but not freezing, temperatures. Think crisp, sunny autumn days after chilly nights. That's the perfect recipe for intense reds. But why would a tree expend energy to create new pigments just before dropping its leaves? Scientists have several theories. One leading idea is that anthocyanins act as a kind of sunscreen for the leaf, protecting it from intense sunlight even as it's winding down. This protection might allow the tree to reabsorb more valuable nutrients from the leaves before they fall. It's like carefully salvaging every last usable part from a ship before it's decommissioned, ensuring no resource is wasted. A very efficient, almost stingy process. Another theory suggests that anthocyanins deter insects. Imagine a bug looking for a cozy place to lay eggs for the winter. A bright red leaf might signal that the leaf is unhealthy or contains chemicals that are bad for it. It's a visual warning sign, a stay-away beacon. So the reds and purples aren't just for our aesthetic pleasure. They're likely a sophisticated part of the tree's survival strategy, a brilliant chemical defense, and a resource recovery operation, all rolled into one stunning visual display. The precise timing and intensity of these colors are largely dictated by the weather. A warm, wet spring followed by a summer that isn't too hot or dry, and then a fall with bright, sunny days and cool, crisp nights above freezing. That's the ideal scenario. A sudden, hard frost can actually mute the colors by damaging the leaves and preventing anthocyanin production. It's a delicate balance, an almost Goldilocks condition needed for that peak autumn vibrancy we all cherish. But the story doesn't end with the color change. Before the leaf falls, the tree performs one last, vital task. It creates a special layer of cells, called the abscission layer, right at the base of the leaf stem. This layer essentially seals off the leaf from the tree. Think of it like a tiny, perfectly executed surgical incision. This layer prevents water and nutrients from flowing into the leaf, and importantly, prevents any pathogens from entering the tree when the leaf finally detaches. It's a clean break, a protective measure. Eventually, the wind, rain, or just gravity does its work, and the leaf falls. It's not a sudden death, but the final stage of a controlled, deliberate process. The tree has extracted what it can, sealed itself off, and is now ready for winter dormancy. So the next time you marvel at a crimson maple or a golden aspen, remember the incredible hidden science at play. It's not just a beautiful sight. It's a masterclass in plant chemistry, light physics, and evolutionary strategy, unfolding silently all around us. From the breakdown of chlorophyll to the production of anthocyanins, each step is a testament to the complex, elegant systems that govern the natural world. It reminds us that even the most ordinary seasonal changes are woven with extraordinary scientific stories. And this isn't just about leaves. This intricate dance of pigments, light, and temperature is echoed in countless natural phenomena, from the colors of a sunset to the vibrant hues of a bird's feather. Once you start looking, you see the science everywhere. It makes you wonder, what other everyday spectacles are hiding incredible scientific secrets? To uncover more hidden science in the world around you, join us next time for another deep dive.